Hello mga ka-lovely! Welcome to Mambel Corner! In today's video, we will be talking about the Indicator 7 in the Classroom Observation Tool of the Performance Management and Evaluation System for Teachers. Design, adapt, and implement teaching strategies that are responsive to learners with disabilities, giftedness, and talents. We'll explore creative teaching strategies tailored for learners with disabilities as well as those with giftedness and special talents. Let's discover how to make learning accessible, engaging, and inspiring for all. Okay, so let's get started. How to design, adapt, and implement teaching methods that cater to learners with disabilities, giftedness, and talents. To design, adapt, and implement teaching methods for learners with disabilities, giftedness, and talents, teachers must use flexible strategies that meet individual needs. This includes differentiated instruction, assistive technology, and enrichment activities. Inclusive education means ensuring that every child, regardless of ability, background, or learning style, has equal opportunities to learn and succeed in the classroom. For example, a teacher may use visual aids and hands-on activities to help students with different learning needs understand a lesson, while also pairing struggling readers with stronger readers for guided practice. This way, all students feel valued and are given the support they need to succeed. Every student is unique. Some may face challenges due to disabilities such as dyslexia, ADHD, or hearing impairments, while others excel with extraordinary talents like in music, arts, or mathematics. As teachers, our mission is to create a classroom where every student succeeds no matter their abilities and learning styles. Okay, so stay tuned as we dive into real-life strategies, inspiring examples, and innovative approaches to inclusive education. To support students with disabilities, we can use the following strategies. First, differentiated instruction. Differentiated instruction is a way of teaching that adjusts lesson to fit the needs of all students. Since every student learns differently, teachers change the content, activities, or assessments to match their abilities and interests. For example, some students may learn better through pictures, while others prefer hands-on activities or group discussions. This approach helps all students stay engaged and succeed in their own way, making learning more effective and enjoyable for everyone. In short, adjusting teaching methods based on individual needs. Another strategy for learners with disabilities is the use of assistive technology. Assistive technology refers to tools and devices that help students with disabilities learn more easily and independently. For example, a student with a visual impairment can use a screen reader to read text aloud, while a student with difficulty writing can use speech-to-text software to convert spoken words into written text. These technologies make learning more accessible and ensure that all students can actively participate in class. By using these technologies, teachers create a more inclusive classroom where every student has the support they need to succeed. Another one is the multisensory approach. The multisensory approach is a teaching method that engages multiple senses like sight, sound, touch, and movement to help students learn better. This approach is especially helpful for learners with different needs, such as those with dyslexia or ADHD. For example, when teaching spelling, a teacher might let students trace letters in sand, that is touch, say the letters aloud, that is sound, and say the word written on the board, that is sight. We also have strategies for gifted and talented students. For gifted and talented students, we must keep them challenged and engaged by using these strategies. First, the enrichment activities. Enrichment activities are additional learning experiences designed to challenge and engage students beyond the standard curriculum. These activities help develop creativity, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills. For example, in a science class, instead of just reading about ecosystems, students can create their own mini ecosystem in a terrarium and observe how plants and animals interact. This hands-on approach makes learning more meaningful and enjoyable. Another one is the acceleration programs. Acceleration programs help advance students progress faster through subjects based on their skills and readiness. These programs prevent boredom and keep students challenged by offering advanced lessons or allowing them to skip grades when applicable. For example, a grade 2 student who excels in reading may join a grade 4 reading groups to study more complex books. This ensures that gifted students stay engaged and continue to grow at their own pace. And the last one is the mentorship and independent study. Mentorship and independent study provide advanced learners with personalized guidance and opportunities to explore topics beyond the standard curriculum. A mentor, such as a teacher, helps students develop their skills and interests through one-on-one coaching. For example, a grade 5 student passionate about science may work with a mentor to conduct simple experiments and create a project for a science fair. Or a student with advanced math skills may be trained for a math quiz bee. Independent study allows students to take ownership of their learning while being supported by their mentors. This is all about connecting students with experts in their field of interest. So how do we implement these strategies in the classroom? Step 1. Assess your learners. Assessing your learners means understanding their strengths, weaknesses, and learning styles to provide the best support. In an elementary classroom, this can be done through quizzes, observations, and fun activities. For example, a teacher might use a short reading assessment to identify which students need extra help with comprehension, and then based on the results, the teacher can group students for targeted reading exercises, ensuring that each child gets the right level of challenge and support. Step number 2. Modify teaching methods. Modifying teaching methods means adjusting how lessons are taught to match students' different learning needs. In an elementary classroom, this can involve using visuals, hands-on activities, or group work to make lessons more engaging. For example, if some students struggle with math concepts, a teacher might use counting blocks or interactive games to help them understand better. This way, every child can learn in a way that suits them best. Step number 3. Provide a supportive environment. Providing a supportive environment means creating a classroom where all students feel safe, valued, and encouraged to learn. In an elementary setting, this can include praising students' effort, setting clear rules for respect, and offering help when needed. For example, a teacher can set up a quiet corner where students who feel overwhelmed can take a short break before rejoining activities. This helps build confidence and ensures that every child feels included and motivated to learn. How to achieve the rating of 7 in the classroom observation tool of the performance management and evaluation system for teachers. To achieve the rating of 7, the teacher demonstrates an expanded understanding of the educability of individual learners. The teacher's instructional strategies respond to individual and group of learners' background, thus creating an environment where learners feel equally involved. This means that the teacher recognizes that every student has the potential to learn and grow, regardless of their background, abilities, or challenges. The teacher understands that learning is not one size fits all and adapts instruction to meet the diverse needs of students. By using differentiated strategies, fostering a growth mindset, and providing the right support, the teacher ensures that each learner has the opportunity to succeed. This expanded understanding also involves acknowledging that intelligence and skills can be developed over time through effort, guidance, and the right learning environment. Therefore, by designing, adapting, and implementing these strategies, we ensure that every student, regardless of their ability or talent, succeeds in the classroom. Let's continue to create inclusive learning environments where everyone has the opportunity to grow and succeed. That's all for today, mga ka-lovely. Thank you for watching. And if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe my channel.